showcase. Look, Tulip Day. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, look, a lot of person here. So white. Very wow, ganda naman. So the time now is 3 p.m. afternoon, raining day. Look, I bring umbrella. I bring umbrella with the seat to the floor. Yes. Look, a lot of person. Look. Yeah, see. Yeah, nice one here. Stray spray. Nice one here. I don't. Oh, look. So a lot of person here. Easy to come to the city here in the opera. This is a Centro of Madrid, guys. Centro of Madrid. It's a tulip garden. Yeah. No need to go to the tulip farm. You can see to the city. Yeah. Yeah, look. A lot of people here. So, yeah. No need to go to the farm, on the garden or botanic. This way, the place, no fee, no entrance. Is available for all. Yeah, look. Beautiful. Very nice one. Now is afternoon. It's raining day. Misty. Yeah, look. Wet the floor. Yeah, look. Yeah. Oh. So happy this one. Excuse me.
¿Qué quieres? ¿Tomarte una foto tú con el perrito?
Yeah. Some the person here, look. Yeah. It's an opera site, guys. Opera. Opera Calle. In the center of Madrid. Yeah, look. Yeah, this is a garden. Yeah. This is a garden of front of Real Palacio. Look. See? Wow. Nice one. Yeah, look. So now everything is okay. No need to go to the garden. No need to go to the farm. You go to the farm, you spend a lot of money because travel almost 5 hours. Now you can see here in the center of Madrid. And the opera. Yeah. It's all free. No entrance. No fee. Yeah, look. This one, the garden, and also, guys, oh look. Yeah, come on, babes. By the way, guys, the temperature now is 18 degrees. Chili, a light chili. So I'm going to the center. Yeah, I'm going to walk to the Puerta Sol, the center. Ay, gracias talaga. My phone. Full lleno. Now it's time to... It's okay here, then also the side is the terraza. Yeah, look guys. She not feel the cold, guys. Look. She not feeling cold. Yeah, here now. Look guys. Kiting na. Yeah, this is the Centro Opera. So a lot of person there also. April month is the blooming flower. Pero bueno. ¿Qué pasa aquí? Where? Ah, here. I may also. Scary. Nalito ako. Saan ako dadaan? And also this one guys, look. Yeah. It's a different kinds of leaves then also. This are red, then green. Yeah, sorted in also. I don't know what is the name this one. In Pilipinas, it's like kamote tops. Rock tops. Yeah. But you make the look guys, oh. It's a nice one. Yeah. It's depend to the decor. Ah. Hi. The weather is 18 degrees. But need to wear the warmer. It's already cold. Yeah, look the leaves guys. Changes there. Before is only the skeleton. Now produce the leaves. Then they produce the flower. Yeah, that one. Change the weather, change the leaf, change the flower, change the tree. Ayan guys. Nagtitinda siya. So now here. So look. Service. Yeah, look. Everybody bringing the umbrellas. Nice, always like that the weather, guys. Not very cold, not very hot. It's a normal. I like. But becoming the summer, I don't like. Like the winter, whoop, I don't like. So far. It's only like that. 18 degrees, yeah. 18 degrees. Oh, look, the wearing. Like always like that only. Not so much warmer clothes. Up. Be careful. Okay. Stamp. Yeah. Ganda yung table niya. Naulan na siya. Hindi pala ito siya mabasa. Pala ano pala ito siya. Ganda. Ganda siya, guys. Look, guys. April flower. Yeah. Ganda talaga kung April ba. Yun ang start sa blooming flowers. So, marami pang mga roses ngayon kay San Isidro. San Isidro roses. So, all the flowers there. It's okay. Ay, close pa yung church ko. So, it's very early. Dito ako nagasimba, guys. San Ihinis. So now is closed. By the way, the church there, guys, no? Close din yun siya pag hindi pa niya tayo magbukas. Talaga ang schedule nila magbukas sila. Pag hindi nila schedule, close talaga siya. By the way, ang laman dyan sa loob, mamahalin. Kaya ayun. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas, always open daw ang simbahan. Dito, no, may schedule talaga siya. Magtiis ka sa lamig, maghintay. Kung kailan, kung di mo alam ang schedule. Ayun. So, yan. Baka magkaroon tayo ng maraming pera dito. Magtaya na notarya. So, yan. Siya yun, guys. So, nanalo ng ano, 20 euros. We try. So, let's go, guys. Ito yun siya, naalala ko, yun si Marian de Lereba. O yan, ito siya, no. Nagpakita na naman siya ulit. Kasi binigyan siya ng malaking pera ni noon ng artista eh. So, continue walking tayo, guys. Magpadala ako ngayon kasi malaki ang palit. Padala ko sa akong savings. Laking palit 64. 64, 62. Kaya pag magbaba na yan, wala na. Wala na. Naglabas na ako. Hindi pa nga totaling summer. Naglabas na. Naka-abrigo naman pero malamig naman ang ano niya. Ay, nada. Ayan guys, oh. Ngayong ano, Mayo, ito ang mga costume sa Mayo guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan, yan ang suot niya San Isidro. Ayan, tapos yan. Naglabas na siya kaya dahil Mayo pa, ano na sa Mayo eh, flamenco. Papunta ng Abril, Mayo, sunod. San Isidro yan eh. Ayan. Naglabasan ng mga napawisan ko. Kasi makapal yung suot ko. Tapos nilagyan ko ng light abrigo. Mainit na. Pero hola, hola, hola. Palit sila green ko. Hola. Ito siya ng hola. Ganda yan, garden niya. Okay. Ganda yung design niya. Ayan. Ganda yung ano niya. Special sales. May Jollibee dito guys, oh, sa Madrid. Yan, Jollibee. Pero yung kusinera, hindi ano, Pilipino ha. Ibang lahi. Ibang lahi ang kusinero. Hindi niya nakuha talaga ang test ng ano, lasang Pinoy. Okay lang, at least may Jollibee nga pangalan. Kumakain din ng Espanyol eh. Kasi sabi nila Pilipino daw yun. Ayan, bye guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm here na. Dito ako guys, magtagal ako. Hola! Magkano Pilipinas? Wow, ang laki no. Sana all. Ay. Ang laki ng ano niya. Anong ring yun? Ganda yung ano. Ito yung sentro guys. Puerta Sol. Zona Zero. Puerta Sol. So, babayo. Malinis na yung sahig. Inulan eh. Ay, mag-ice cream pala ako. Yung malit ng ice cream. Tag 13 yan. Magkano yan? Bili kaya ako. Mag-light ice cream ako ng maliit. Saan ba yun? Layo naman. Dami nila ng ano, comment sa akong toilet. Punta kayo sa Puerta Sol. Marami ano, sa may opera. Opera, malapit sa Real Palacio. Doon, maraming tulip doon. Punta kayo. Tulip di ngayon, di na kayo pumunta sa Botanical Garden. Magbayad pa kayo ng entrance doon. Hindi na kayo doon mag-travel pa nga magpunta lang manood ng tulip. Eh, sa bagay, marami naman doon kay farm kasi. Pero malayo na yun. Dito na lang ka sa sentro, marami din. So, bye-bye. Anong meron? Aga pa. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye you. Really, really, please. Up next, guys.